Today, let me tell you how a mother found a safe and effective way to treat her baby's eczema or atopic dermatitis. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skincare expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to make skincare that truly works. Being brand owners of a sensitive skincare brand, we try and spend as much time as we can talking to people because we are well aware that we aren't just dealing with skin. It's people's lives that get affected with severe skin ailments. And some of these people we just connect with. Such was the story of Akanksha, a very strong woman, 41 years old and mother to a 13-year-old daughter, Chloe. Eczema affects millions of babies worldwide, often leaving parents searching for a safe and effective solution. Akanksha and Chloe's journey particularly stood out because of how they navigated years of trial and error before discovering something that worked, and how it taught them more than just about skin, it taught them about life. Chloe was just 40 days old when Akanksha first noticed dry, red patches on her skin. Like any concerned mother, she sought medical advice. The doctor prescribed topical steroids, but she was terrified. She didn't want to use such strong medication on her newborn. She says she knew in her heart that there had to be a simpler and gentler approach. Determined to find a natural solution, Akanksha tried everything: the coconut oil at home and oatmeal baths. She moved to a gluten and dairy-free diet herself during breastfeeding. Some of these did offer relief, but Chloe's dermatitis kept coming back. Akanksha recollects that every time she thought they had found something that worked, the flare-ups returned. It was heartbreaking to see Chloe struggle. When Chloe was about 8 years old, Akanksha happened to walk into the erstwhile Oleum Cottage store in Powai. We told her how we formulate skincare with activated oils specifically for their therapeutic benefits, both from inside and out. Unlike commercial creams, these had the purest grade of cold-pressed plant oils and therapeutic essential oils blended specifically for eczema-prone skin. Akanksha was still skeptical, but she says she didn't mind trying oils on her baby. Just the fact that this had no steroids, no artificial additives, and in those days we used to hand blend at the store, she felt like giving it a chance. We also had a discussion with Akanksha on what changes we could bring into Chloe's diet and lifestyle. Chloe was prone to anxiety, which is something often related to eczema triggers. So Akanksha started adjusting her work hours to be more calm and relaxed at home during the evenings. She did not push herself to be a part of Chloe's morning routine and let others at home handle it. She was a night person actually. In fact, both of them were, so their mornings used to get very stressful. We also suggested that Akanksha build a routine around skincare along with Chloe. They started with weekends and then got into the habit of doing it together every night. We often don't give enough therapeutic value to the activity of massaging our skin, whether ourselves or by a loved one. We have now advised several new moms and dads to take up oil massages as a daily ritual with their babies, and that has led to a significant reduction in their eczema flare-ups. Of course, Chloe was already at an age where she could do it herself, but her mother's presence made all the difference. With this consistent routine, Chloe's skin started healing. The flare-ups became less frequent and her discomfort reduced significantly. They recall with so much joy the moment they felt her skin was finally stable. It was like they had found their answer. Before we finish off the story on a happy note, let me tell you what happened later on. Eczema is a lifelong condition, or at least a propensity, and Chloe faced another round of flare-ups as a teenager. This time, it was more an emotional battle, as she was at an age where she started feeling conscious of her looks, and unfortunately the flare-ups were on her face. But this time, they were more prepared. Chloe knew exactly what to do. She did not panic. She just took care of her skin the way she and her mom had been doing. There were bad phases, but they would settle and gradually go away. Akanksha's journey highlights an important lesson for us. Eczema does not have to control your child's life, and you need not villainize it. With the right care, and products, you can manage it safely and effectively. And in the process, learn how to incorporate good diet, exercise, and stress management into your little one's life early on. Today, Chloe is confident in her skin, and that's the biggest victory for all of us. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. You can also book a consultation with us if you have any more questions. Together, let's give our children an easier way through eczema. See you in our next video.